Now in this video we will study about the humerus, and in my previous video we was study about the clavicle of the osteology and muscle attachment and applied also, and in this video study about the humerus. Humerus is the bone of brachium, and in the normal language brachium is also called, brachium is the anatomical word, this means arm, brachium is called arm, and humerus is the bone of the arm. For the identification and for the knowing the features of the humerus, we will draw a diagram of the humerus, then we will find this is our humerus. Firstly, humerus is divided into three parts. This part, this is the upper part. Upper part is also called upper end of humerus. This is our shaft. Shaft is also called diaphysis. Shaft is also called diaphysis, and this part is also called lower end. This is also called lower end, and it also called epiphysis, and this is also called epiphysis. This is humerus. Firstly, we will study about the upper end, and then lower end, and then shaft. Firstly, we will study about the upper end. If we draw a diagram of the upper end, then we will find some structures on the upper end of the humerus. If we draw a upper end of the humerus, this is our upper end. This is our upper end. This is upper end. This upper end has three neck. Number one is anatomical neck. It lies between head. This is our head of the humerus. It articulates with the glenoid cavity of the scapula and form glenohumeral joint. And this is our head, and this is the rest part of the. This part is the rest part of the humerus. It lies between the head and rest part of the humerus. This neck is also called anatomical neck. This is anatomical neck. And our second neck is present. Second neck is called surgical neck. It lies between the upper end of the humerus and the shaft of the humerus. This is our upper end of the humerus, and this is the shaft of the humerus, and this in between upper end and shaft, this is the neck. This neck is called surgical neck. Surgical neck. This is surgical neck. And if we do a coronal section of the humerus, and humerus is divided into anterior and posterior part, then we will find there is, if we do coronal section, then we will find morphological neck is present 0.5 centimeter above the surgical neck. This is our surgical neck, and in between this is our morphological neck, and in between the surgical neck and morphological neck there is, this is the distance, this distance is about 0.5 centimeter. So 0.5 centimeter above and morphological neck is present. Above किसके? Above the surgical neck. 0.5 centimeter above morphological neck and 0.5 centimeter from the morphological neck. This neck is surgical neck. This is about the neck of the humerus upper end. And there is some structures are also found, which is this is our neck, anatomical neck, this is a surgical neck, and there is a tubercle. One is large, then that's why it is called greater tubercle. This tubercle is large, that's why greater tubercle. It is also called GT, greater tubercle. And this tubercle is smaller than greater tubercle. This tubercle is called lesser tubercle, in short LT. This is GT, this is LT. And in between both tubercle there is a space. There is a space. There is a groove. A groove like structure is present. This space, groove like space, this space is called intertubercular sulcus. Sulcus means groove. एक नाली लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होता है किसके बीच में? इन बिटवीन द ग्रूव. दैट्स वाई बिटवीन के लिए हम लोग वर्ड यूज करते हैं इंटर. ट्यूबरकुलर के लिए मतलब कि ट्यूबरकल, मतलब दो ट्यूबरकल के बीच में एक सल्कस, एक ग्रूव लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट है. इसको हमने बोला इंटर ट्यूबरकुलर सल्कस. दिस स्पेस इज इंटर ट्यूबरकुलर सल्कस. इंटर ट्यूबरकुलर सल्कस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड bicipital groove. Bicipital groove. Why it is called bicipital groove? Because long head of the biceps originate from the supraglenoid tubercle and it passes with the intertubercular sulcus. That's why it is called bicipital groove, and it is also called intertubercular sulcus because it is present between two tubercles. That's why it is called intertubercular. And this is sulcus, this is groove like structure, that's why it is called intertubercular sulcus. And this greater tubercle make a lip and lip move downward. This lip is called lateral lip of bicipital groove. This is lateral lip of the bicipital groove because this space is bicipital groove. This is lesser tubercle and it also make a lip and move downward. This lip is also called medial lip. In between two lips, this space is called floor of bicipital groove. floor of bicipital groove. In between the two lips, lateral and medial lip, there is a space. This space is called floor of bicipital groove. And in between the tubercles, both tubercle lesser and greater, both tubercles, this space is called intertubercular sulcus. This space is called intertubercular sulcus. Why it is called intertubercular sulcus? Because inter means in between, tubercular means both tubercle, greater and lesser. मतलब tubercles, between the tubercles there is a sulcus or groove like a structure is present. This structure is called intertubercular sulcus. This is all about the upper end of humerus. Part 1. Upper end of humerus, part 1.